YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Knockout 360 here with another video for you guys. As you can tell, I'm in a car. That makes this a car vlog. You already know what's going down when I come around. Let's go ahead and get into it, man. Car content, car shows, car reviews, car meets, anything and everything car related happens on this channel. So if you're into that, make sure that you stick around because you are in the right place. For everyone else, hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you know what's coming out when it's coming out, right? Let's go ahead and get into it, man. So we've already talked about how Dodge is unveiling their 24 months of muscle, which basically is going to run us smack dab into the release of the 2024 all-electric muscle car. We've already talked about that. Hellcats are gone in 2023. RTs may be replaced with the straight line V6 engine in 2024. No word about the scat packs, the 392s. We're up in the air. Nobody knows. Jailbreaks, obviously, they drop in next month, next year, something like that. Another kind of feature of the 24 months of muscle is the direct connection. And for those of you that don't know, direct connection and power brokers. Direct connection is the, I guess, service that Dodge is releasing, Mopar is releasing, that allows individuals who own Chargers and Challengers to upgrade their car with OEM parts, right? So tunes, performance parts, you know, all sorts of performance parts, braking, exhaust work, any kind of engine work, cold air intake work. Not only will they order the parts or allow you to order the parts OEM, so they're coming from Mopar, from Dodge, but you can also get them installed there as well. Not every dealership is going to have this feature, only the power brokers, right? So some Dodge dealerships will be considered power brokers, where you can go there and order these parts OEM directly from Dodge / Mopar and then have them installed on your car at the dealership. So no more going down to, you know, Todd and Tim's, you know, garage, and no more going to you know, Jim and the boys dealership and so on and so forth. You can go directly to Dodge. You feel what I'm saying? And you don't have to worry about any issues there. They will be backing it with the warranty. Warranty is direct connection parts installed and replaced by Dodge Power Broker dealerships. Maintain a 3-year, 36,000-mile new vehicle basic limited warranty and a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain limited warranty from the original date of installation. So similar to buying a brand new car from Dodge, you'll get that 36,000-mile 3-year basic limited warranty, and then the 60,000 5-year limited warranty for your powertrain. So anything they install, they will be in warranty in as well, which is great. Most little shops don't. Most little shops can't do that. You know what I'm saying? They can't warranty a particular part for 5 years or 3 years or 60,000 miles. They just can't. They don't have the ability to do that. Otherwise, you would probably be at that shop, you know, every year or something like that, every 3 to 5 years. But Dodge is going to do that, which makes it even a sweeter deal. Now, you know, like I know, you're probably going to be paying top dollar for these OEM parts. I mean, anything that you get at Dodge is going to be expensive, whether it's oil change, tire rotation. Of course, with the direct connection situation, that's going to be more expensive. You're going to be paying OEM prices. So there aren't going to be any deals or discounts or hookups. None of that. You're going to be paying top dollar. But with that top dollar, you know that you're getting top dollar warranty, top dollar performance. And not to mention, you know that these guys are specifically certified to work on Mopar vehicles, so you don't have to worry about going down to Jiffy Lube and being afraid that, you know, Jose and Hose B is working on your car and they've never seen a Hellcat before. You know what I'm saying? When you go to Dodge, obviously they know what they're talking about because they're the guys. But so getting into it, what's interesting about this, they just released kind of the specifics of what this program is going to entail. Direct connection. They just released it today. Today as in the 22nd or 23rd, the 22nd of December. So let's go ahead and get into it. New tuner and stage kits that can boost the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye and Challenger SRT Hellcat to 885 horsepower and 750 plus horsepower respectively. So the new tuner and stage kits, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 kits, are going to allow you to boost the Hellcat Redeye from 797 to 885 horsepower. And then the standard Challenger SRT Hellcat from 707, 710, whatever the Hellcats are now, to 750 respectively. Notice that I'm saying Dodge Challenger and not Dodge Charger. We'll talk about that in a minute. So tuner kits can get your Redeye up to 885 horsepower, get your standard Hellcat up to 750 plus. 14 new performance kits for the Dodge production. 14 new performance kits for the production of the Dodge Challenger. 13 new race ready kits in 4 graphics packages for the Dodge Challenger Mopar drag pack. So the drag pack is that Dodge Challenger that's specifically built for the track. I mean, it's like red, white, blue accents and all that good stuff. Comes with the big fat drag radials in the back, the whole nine. You've seen it before, trust me. Yeah, so they've got 13 new race ready kits for the Dodge Challenger Mopar drag pack, and then it comes with 4 different graphics packages that you can hook your car up there too. I've already told you about the warranty, and you can begin ordering these parts at your local Dodge Power Brokers dealership. Notice I said Power Brokers. Not every Dodge dealership will be considered a Power Brokers, only certain ones. You can start doing that in the first quarter of 2022. So 2022, literally in a couple weeks from now, you can begin putting in those orders for those OEM performance parts. Now, what's interesting about this, and let me actually look at the article directly. I'll tell you the website, stockhouse.com. Dodge announces new direct connection performance parts lineup, parts catalog, and technical hotline. Technical hotline, you can call these guys, ask them questions. You should be able to get these guys 24, well, maybe not 24/7, I could be capping, but you will literally be able to call into these guys and ask them questions about your car. What's this? What's that? Why is it doing this? Why is it doing that? And I'm sure they should be able to help you. I don't know how that's going to work, but that's what they're stating. What's interesting about what I'm looking at here is I don't see the Dodge Charger anywhere in this catalog. I'm looking over my notes. I'm looking at the catalog. Everything says Challenger. Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye, Challenger SRT Hellcat, Challenger Mopar Drag Pack. I see no Charger anywhere. I see no Charger Redeye, no Charger Hellcat, no Charger Scat Pack. I see Charger nothing, which leads me to believe that at least initially, Dodge will not be performing direct connection services on the Dodge Charger. Why that is, I do not know. At the end of the day, it's a Dodge product. At the end of the day, the setup between the Challenger and Charger is damn near identical. The power, the engine, the powertrain is damn near identical. I don't know why they wouldn't be able to service both of those cars, but it looks like they're only starting off with the Dodge Challenger. Hellcat, Redeye, Mopar Drag Pack, that's the whole deal right there. They don't even mention Scat Packs or anything like that, although I would imagine that you should be able to bring your Scat up there and get them to take care of some stuff, put some, you know, mods and tunes and all that good stuff on there as well. But no mention of the Charger, right? We've been left out. We always get left out when it comes to new shit that Dodge is announcing, right? When Dodge first came out with the Demon and the Redeye, it was Challenger first. The wide body kit, it was Challenger first. Yeah, that's about it. And you know what I'm saying? It's always Challenger first, which I guess makes sense because I guess they look at their Challenger as their premium muscle car. That's their, you know, piece of resistance type of muscle car, in the sense that that's the car that they're building the brand on, the Challenger, because that's the legitimate muscle car. Whereas the Charger, you could look at that as a sedan. You could look at it as like a town car. You can look at it a couple different ways. Direct connection hotline, 800-998-1110 hotline, live now. So it's actually live now. You can call that number now. Like I said, 800-998-1110. That's the hotline. Technical support available straight from the performance experts. I'm not sure if that's technical advice based on the car itself, as in if you're having issues with your Charger, like it's not starting up or something's flashing, you can call them, or just specific to when you order parts for them. Probably the second, the latter of the two. Direct connection parts announcement opens up the 5th garage door on the Dodge Never Lift campaign, which provides a 2-year roadmap to the brand's electrified performance. So if you remember when I initially announced the 24 months of muscle, the Dodge Never Lift campaign, every month represented a garage door. So last month I think it was the jailbreak red eyes. The month before that it was the Hemi orange and the SRT black colors, and this month it's the direct connection going live, right? So that opens up the 3rd door thus far in the 24-month muscle plan. You know what I'm saying? So I'll take that back. That opens up the 5th door. I just said that, and I don't know why I contradicted myself. But yeah, the 5th door, I don't remember what the first 2 were. But yeah, so long story short, for all you Challenger Hellcat and Hellcat Redeye guys, you can expect some big power coming to you soon that you can take to your local Dodge dealership and get them to square with you. For you Charger guys, ergo myself, we just gotta wait. We just gotta wait till Dodge makes up their mind and says, hey, listen, come on in. Until then, it's Challenger only, Hellcat Redeye and regular Hellcat only right now. They didn't mention anything about the scat packs. They didn't mention anything about the RTs. I don't think you should even be taking a V6 up there. You know what I'm saying? Like, what you gonna do to that, man? Be honest with me. What you gonna do with that V6, that rally package? I'm saying this because I came from a rally package. You know what I did to my rally? I changed the oil and I rotated the tires. That was about it. There was no performance. You know, put that money away to all my V6 brothers and sisters out there. Save that money, put it away, go get yourself a RT, a SRT, a 392, a Hellcat, man. Don't mod your V6. Don't, you know what I'm saying? Just drive it. But I'm just kidding with you guys, real talk. But yeah, that's it, guys. Direct Connection is now live today, as of December 22nd, Wednesday, 2/26. So you can go ahead and call the hotline and then, you know, set up some stuff, go to your dealership and make an appointment or whatever the case may be. Well, actually, you can't. They're not going to start doing the appointments and stuff until January 2022. So you'll have to wait another month or so until they start taking orders and services and all that good stuff. But it is what it is, man. I think it's dope. You know, Dodge is going to pretty much they're going to throw everything out, you know, the baby with the bathwater for the next 24 months, just because they've got to get all of this V8 shit out. They've got to get all this Hemi stuff, all of this SRT Hellcat shit, Scat Pack 392 RT, Hemi 5764. They got to get all of that shit out. Like, literally, it's a fire sale or you know, clearance sale or whatever. They got to get all that shit out. The inventory, it's a clearance sale. Take everything, buy one, get 100 free. They've got to get rid of all of this shit, because when 2024 hits, everything's electric. There will be no direct connection, no more power brokers, no more, you know, Hellcats and Scat Packs, no Hemi, no nothing. So they've got to get rid of everything. So you're going to be getting these update videos from me here periodically. But that's where we're at, man. Direct Connection, now live. Hit them up, show them some love, get your car tuned, or at least get your Challenger tuned, and that'll be it. See you guys in the next one. Peace.